Buddhist ethics is a survival mechanism. Many believe Buddhism promotes altruism, rooted in doctrines like karma and reincarnation, suggesting actions impact future lives. This belief rests on the idea that ethical behavior leads to a better rebirth or even nirvana, an ultimate liberation. But does this altruism truly stem from selflessness? Or is it an evolutionary survival strategy, ensuring the survival of the community and by extension oneself? The Buddhist doctrine of karma is central to this debate. Karma posits that one's actions directly influence future circumstances, encouraging ethical behavior. Historical texts, such as the Dhammapada, suggest that good deeds lead to favorable outcomes, not only in this life, but in future reincarnations. This belief system encourages acts of kindness, generosity, and compassion, seemingly altruistic behaviors aimed at benefiting others. A notable example comes from the life of King Ashoka, who ruled the Maurya dynasty from 268 to 232 BCE. After the bloody Kalinga War, Ashoka embraced Buddhism and promoted non-violence, compassion, and ethical governance. His edicts, inscribed on pillars across India, illustrate a shift from conquest to care, suggesting a genuine transformation driven by Buddhist principles. This historical narrative supports the view that Buddhist ethics inherently promote altruism. However, modern neuroscience and psychological research offer a different perspective. Studies by institutions like Stanford University have explored the neuroscience of compassion, revealing that altruistic behavior activates the brain's reward centers. This suggests that acts of kindness may be hardwired into our brains as a survival mechanism. In 2014, a study led by Dr. Philipp Tobler at the University of Zurich found that participants who engaged in altruistic behavior experienced increased activity in the ventral striatum, a brain area associated with reward processing. Furthermore, evolutionary biology provides insights into why altruism might be beneficial. Altruism can enhance group survival, a concept explored by Charles Darwin in The Descent of Man. Kin selection and reciprocal altruism suggest that helping others, particularly those within one's community, increases the chances of survival for shared genes. In this light, Buddhist teachings on compassion could be viewed as aligning with evolutionary principles. The strongest counterargument posits that Buddhist ethics are unique in their focus on alleviating suffering for all beings, not just close kin or community members. This universal compassion is central to Buddhist practice. For instance, the Bodhisattva vows in Mahayana Buddhism emphasize the commitment to help all sentient beings achieve enlightenment. Proponents argue that this comprehensive altruism cannot be reduced to mere evolutionary survival. Yet when scrutinized, even this universal compassion can be seen through an evolutionary lens. The interconnectedness emphasized in Buddhism aligns with the concept of extended kin networks, where the well-being of all beings ultimately impacts one's own survival. By promoting widespread compassion, Buddhism might be ensuring the stability and harmony of the broader ecosystem, which in turn benefits individual survival. Concrete evidence further challenges the notion of pure altruism within Buddhist ethics. A 2017 study by Dr. Paul Bloom at Yale University examined how moral actions are often motivated by self-interest, even when they appear altruistic. The study found that individuals who engage in acts of kindness often report feeling happier and more fulfilled, suggesting that these actions may serve personal psychological needs as much as they benefit others. In light of these findings, the claim that Buddhist ethics are purely altruistic is difficult to sustain. While Buddhism undoubtedly promotes compassion and kindness, these behaviors can be understood as part of a complex interplay between cultural teachings and biological imperatives. The evidence suggests that what is often perceived as altruism may also serve personal and communal survival. In conclusion, the notion that Buddhist ethics represent pure altruism is misleading. The teachings indeed inspire ethical behavior, but they do so within a framework that can be seen as aligning with evolutionary strategies for survival. The historical and scientific evidence points to the conclusion that Buddhist ethics, while noble and beneficial, may not be solely altruistic, but rather an intricate blend of altruism and evolutionary necessity. Is altruism ever truly selfless or always survival-driven? Driven, 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 driven.